I bet you didn't know cabbage could be this exciting. Time to make a mouth-watering vegetarian cabbage burger. Welcome to Fork and Fry. Today, we're making a simple and delicious vegetarian cabbage burger. Perfect for a plant-based meal that's crispy on the outside and packed with fresh veggies inside. You'll need a small head of cabbage, breadcrumbs, grated carrots, onion, smoked paprika, olive oil, and a few fresh toppings like avocado, tomato, and vegan mayo. We're making these burgers in under 3 minutes. Start by shredding the cabbage and mixing it with breadcrumbs, grated carrots, chopped onion, and smoked paprika. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now shape your veggie mixture into patties. Don't worry if they're not perfect, until golden brown and crispy. While the patties cook, lightly toast your whole wheat buns. It adds an extra crunch. Place the crispy cabbage patty on the bottom bun, then add sliced avocado, fresh tomato, and drizzle some vegan mayo. Top it off with the other bun, and there you have it. A perfect, healthy, and delicious vegetarian cabbage burger, ready to enjoy. Don't forget to visit forkandfry.com for more mouth-watering plant-based recipes.